Okay, so I just got home from taking my boyfriend to LASIK surgery, and I got in the mail my MudPaint Jade, and I also got some Tiffany blue color that MudPaint mixed up for me called Tisha Blue, because my name is Tisha. And I'm so excited. I don't even care about taking my clothes off and making sure I don't get paint on anything, because I want to paint something. So we're gonna revamp this lamp today, and it's gonna be pretty impromptu because I've never used mud paint before. I'm super excited, so we'll just get started here. I'll pull my sleeves up and hope for the best. So I got Jade here on the plate. We don't want to contaminate the mud paint, is what I was told. I'm just gonna do some streaks on the handle here, and it's a bronze color handle. A lot of the stuff in my house is very brown, so I like to put a pop of color on the stuff. So we're just gonna try to do the arm of it, and it's going on really nice. I'm super impressed. You guys can see the color. We can just swipe it on, and it looks good just however you want to stroke it on the lamp, or the base, I guess is what it is. Very pretty color, Jade. This will look really good with some of my new furniture. Put a little up here, a little on the arm some more. I think we should put a little up here as well. Just kind of streak it on. I'm gonna put a smidge on the top. And it really looks good. I really like it. Just the streaks alone just give so much color. And we will show you guys another matching lamp before that is still sitting there that we will work with later. I think I'll leave the bottoms because I like them brown. We won't do too much. And now we'll add a little to the top here around the base of where your light bulb is here. Just streaking it on. It's so pretty. The color just really blends well with all the bronze color of this lamp. So, real easy. I really like it. I would definitely order some more color of this. This is definitely a great color, especially for bronze. Now we're gonna mess with what MudPaint made for me, which is Tisha Blue, and we're trying to get like a Tiffany color, and I'm gonna add it to just right up around here. We're gonna do some strokes, and it's just a little bit lighter blue. And I might do this solid, actually. It's really pretty. And I taped it off ahead of time. I mean, you'll see little streaks of brown in there, but it's still super pretty. Definitely my type of color here. It goes on really nice. I'm really liking the way this is turning out. This is kind of a no-brainer. Anybody can do this. And I like it. I wouldn't really add anything more to it. And we will show you the finished product when it is dry, and we'll also show you the before light. Okay guys, so I finished up with my mud paint, the Jade and the Tisha Blue. And this was what it looked like before. We're gonna be doing this one next. And I love it. Mud paint, we got Jade here, and we got Tisha Blue.